In this question, we've been asked to solve between minus pi and pi. Notice this is in radians. 2 tan x equals 5 sine x. So first of all, we need to get this just to have sines, coses, or tans. So let's deal with the tan x to begin with. So let's call it 2 sine x over cos x equals 5 sine x. Now, don't divide through here by sine x. It's very bad to divide by a variable. So what we should do is let's bring the cos x up. So that would be 2 sine x equals 5 sine x cos x. Now let's bring the 2 sine x to the other side. So it's going to be 0 equals 5 sine x cos x subtract 2 sine x. Now let's factorize. So it's going to be 0 equals, the sine x comes out, so sine x bracket 5 cos x minus 2. Okay, so now we've got to factorize. Let's then solve this. That means that sine x equals 0 or 5 cos x minus 2 equals 0. And solving this will then give you that cos x equals 2/5. Now sine x equals 0, that's straightforward. That would be at 0. It would also be, the next one would be pi. Oh, but actually if you look at it, x is less than pi, so pi won't be a solution. And let's go back to in the negative direction, so it would be 0, it would then be minus pi. Well, you're allowed minus pi because x is bigger than or equal to minus pi. So we've got our two solutions for sine is equal to 0. That's minus pi and 0. Now we need to do our cos x equals 2/5. So let's do the inverse cos of 2/5, and that is equal to 1 decimal place 1.16. Make sure you're using radians there. Now let's then draw our cast diagram. So just drawing it and labeling it. So C, A, S, and T, and 1.16, 1.16, 1.16, and 1.16. Now, we're going for the quadrants where cos is positive, so that's this quadrant and this quadrant. Okay, so we've put our 1.16 onto the diagram. Now let's find our angles. So we're going to be going from 0 to minus pi. Well, that's going to be from 0 all the way around to minus pi. So our first solution will be minus 1.16, and that's it. So we're going to have minus 1.16. We've already got our minus pi. We've got our 0. Now let's then go around between 0 and pi. So our next solution, well, that's going to be at 1.16, and then all the way around, and that's it. So our solutions are minus pi, minus 1.16 radians, 0 radians, and 1.16 radians.